We're here in the lab to learn about the electrical program now. We have the department head, Larry Rogers, who's also one of your instructors. Larry, can you tell me a little bit about your program?
Be glad to. Thanks for coming in and learning about the electrical technology program at Oklahoma Technical College. And what I'm doing, I'm training students, not necessarily just to put the tools on and go wire houses. There's many career fields that can be made out of what you'll learn here at Oklahoma Technical College.
What kind of careers can people go into with an electrical degree?
We're actually, a lot of students, we're letting them become licensed with the state of Oklahoma because that allows you a lot of freedom, one, and secondly, it gives you job security. Actually, you could even leave a position and have another job rather rapidly with the license. So we push that, but this is not a necessity. There are certain career goals that an individual can make, and there you don't need a license. But anyway, one of the things we are doing, we have these simulated boards, and this gets a student where he's prepared to do basically point-to-point wiring. Once you get this in your mind, then you can advance yourself and go further into more complicated circuits and the likes of that. And so we start off slow.
Okay.
And I have students of all walks of life, all age groups come through. Some know very little about electricity at all. And some actually have been working in the field for a period of time.
And get a chance to grow their skills.
They're getting a chance to jumpstart their skills. And secondly, state of Oklahoma, and it's for those that want to go into the license area, we have a rather complicated test. And I'm preparing students for that test. Once they've come through my program, they should have the skills to go down and pass it. And it's a difficult test.
And not just pass the test, but get the connections that they need to get into the industry, to have the hands-on skills they need to be in the industry as well.
Exactly. Lydia, there are many different aspects to this. Certain things will stay the same, repetitive, but the wiring method itself will change from, for instance, residential, commercial, industrial, institutional. And we're teaching all aspects of that here. And another thing we can say, this is for life. This is life skills for a successful career. That's what we're pushing for students.
What do you have going on over here?
Okay, good question. What I was showing here is all simulated. But what we're doing over here, my friends, is real. We're actually hooking up circuits like you would in a real world environment in a structure, and we're turning them on, make sure they function properly, and I oversee and make sure they're wired properly according to our codes.
So then they're ready to work with contractors, helping wire houses, helping wire businesses, and things like that.
Correct. We're not limited to one aspect, excuse me, at all. There's multiple areas that one could go in this, from what they'll learn at Oklahoma Technical College.
So what kinds of places have they been employed at? What are some of the different businesses?
I've had some, I'm a journeyman lineman, and I've had some go to work for utility companies. Ooh. So there's an area, and then others going for working for contractors and the likes of that. And I've had some doing maintenance, and of course with that, you actually don't need a license. But I've actually had a student in the past that went to work for NASA.
Wow, that's awesome.
On the launch pads. It was a goal, and this is something I encourage students to You gotta be goal setting.
Yeah.
If you wanna do something, you can do it in this world. And we can jumpstart your career and get you going that direction. Hey, come over here and let's show you. What we have is real world wiring conditions. This is a service and a panel board here that you could find residential, commercial, industrial, institutional. And we're utilizing various wiring methods, and we're actually installing and hooking up this equipment, meaning switches, receptacles, lighting, the likes of that, and we actually turn it on. And this gives the students skills that they may learn how to go out in the field and do this type of work from memory. And it's job skills, and this is real, what we're doing. Again, we turn it on, so it is actually energized.
So what other practical things do you have them working on?
Another thing we do, we've been building these services for this.
Oh, okay.
And again, these services are single phase. It's more for dwelling units, commercial and small industrial settings. And so the students are actually getting some valuable time of learning how these things go together. One other thing I do here at Oklahoma Technical College is pipe bending. This I can tell you about, it's an art form. The student learn, I teach them the basics of this, and with some degrees, contractors will hire an individual that knows how to bend this stuff and doesn't know another thing.
Oh, so it's a pretty specialized skill.
This is specialized skill, and again, skills. And it's a very important part of our trade, and there's not that many that are really talented at it. So it's something that I really instill in the students. Let's learn how to do this, because it can make a career for you. I actually have some of the more complex bends on a board right over here that they study, and actually this particular bend that is in my hand is created off of this right here.
Oh, okay.
So the student can be out here with the bender and they actually look up, and after I demonstrate how to bend it, they can work on it, and this is repetitive. They go over it and over it and over it. One other thing I'd like to mention is the toolkits that we give the students.
Which is all included in the tuition. Their
Correct.
toolkits, their computers, all of that stuff you get at the start of your courses, and you get to keep after the courses are done.
These tools can get you a job right there in itself. They are top of the line electrical tools that electricians out in the field use daily. And again, they're Klein, which is the professionals. That's what the professionals use, and I've used them for 40 years. It's a very comprehensive list, and it covers about all aspects of the job. And students that I have given these to have been just actually thrilled with them.
That's great. So you're just getting them ready for their career.
Correct.
And if you're interested in this program or any of our other ones, go to our website at oklahomatechnicalcollege.com, or you can call us at 918-895-7500 for more information.
And we are teaching career skills for life. This won't go away. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Larry.